Okay, so I got a little roofing leak for a customer. The other day we tried using a Bostic product that was waterproofing stuff, and I tried to use it as an adhesive, but it didn't stick very well. The leak is sort of right in that area there underneath. So I've got this roofing felt adhesive, and I'm using it's like contact adhesive. You gotta let it set for a little while. So you put it on there, that's gonna set for a little while. Then this is roofing felt I'm using underneath. And I gotta get that all around the edges good. And I'm gonna have a couple of little pieces on each side. So hopefully this will do the job. So the other was a horrible mess. It didn't set up. The only reason I used it was because it was supposed to be able to do it in the rain, and it was sort of like an emergency. We needed to get it sorted. But it didn't work. So now we're just going back to the roofing felt adhesive, and the thing I'm doing, it says on the tin, let it dry for about 15 minutes so it gets nice and sticky. Now it's a cold day, it's about 7 centigrade out here, so it might take a little bit longer for it to get sticky, but that's the plan, and I'm sticking to it.